Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, Architect Delane here with another video. This video is going to be about my new machine that I've built and I'm adding to my network. If this is one of your first times watching one of my videos, my channel is basically about me documenting my journey through tech, building machines, adding onto my network, configuring networks. And hopefully you guys can pick up something along the way or, maybe be an inspiration to people who are thinking about switching into tech, making that big switch, career changers and such like that. Um, but let's go ahead and just get right into it. I got my handy dandy wand here, my little Apple pencil. I love using this as a wand. This is my new machine, and this is something that I've built 95% used. So let me just pop this open so you can see the bottom. And let me take this off to kill some of the glare. We'll just take this completely off. All righty. And we'll get right into it. Okay, this is my CPU fan. I bought this used, 15 bucks. Thermalright Spirit EVO, I believe is the technical name, 15 bucks. Up under it sits my CPU. It is an Intel 13500. Now, the reason why I went with an Intel 13500 is because it is a more affordable CPU that has a lot of cores, 6 physical cores, 8 E cores, and it threads into 20 cores. Um, it doesn't use up a lot of power and it can run 24/7 without, taking up a lot of energy. I bought it for 70 bucks. So the CPU fan 15, the CPU 70, both bought used. The motherboard is a Tough Gaming Z90 plus Wi-Fi. Bought it used, 85 bucks. I'm very big on, you know, I guess you could say saving money or not overpaying for stuff unnecessarily. So my power supply bought brand new. It is a thermal take, not a thermal right, but a thermal take. That's two different names. 750 watts. I think I paid about $85 for that. Got to use the enterprise hard drive, 12 terabytes. That was about 60 bucks used. Also, my RAM in here is a DDR5, and it is, excuse me, 32 gigs, and I think I paid about 45 bucks. That was before RAM prices went crazy. Um, right now today, RAM prices are insane with the demand for AI and data centers and all that jazz is just making RAM go sky high. My main drive will be my NVMe, and it is a Western Digital SN850, 2 terabyte, and I paid full price for that also. That was about $143. So the actual case, this is a Lean Cool or Line Cool, whatever the kids call it. But I bought this used also off somebody, 30 bucks on the used market. So altogether, this machine probably cost me somewhere between 530, maybe 550 altogether for everything. My my plan for this machine is going to be either a cloud storage with some VMs on the side of it, spent up through Proxmox, or I might just make it a to just mimic like a corporate structure and kind of attack it for like cybersecurity practices. But either way, I just wanted to throw this video together to show you guys you can build off the used market and just take your time. I didn't go grab these pieces all like within a week or two. It took a couple of months, 4 or 5 months. I will just, see something online, see something on Facebook Marketplace, see something on eBay. And if the price is just really worth it, I grab it and hold on to it until, I have enough pieces to build a set. So most of my computers and most of my nodes in my network I've built. I'm a hardware guy also. So, I just wanted to drop this video, show you guys you don't have to run to the retailers. You don't have to pay high dollar to have multiple computers in your house to build your own network. If you take your time and learn how to build, or if you build, it is fun. I do like building more for myself than other people. I must honestly say it's kind of more comfortable when you can just build slow and, take your time and build how you want, when you want. You're not on a kind of like a deadline thing. But this computer will probably be up and running within the next week. If you guys want me to go kind of deeper into it and show how I spin up Proxmox on it and how I manage my VMs and all that jazz, just please leave a comment, like, and subscribe. Leave a comment and let me know. All you gotta do is say, "Hey, man, let me see some more of that. Let me let me see how you configure your OS and all that good jazz." So if that's something you guys want to see, please comment, let me know. This PC was about 550 at best, if my memory serves me correctly, about 550 bucks. I'm thinking about taking the RAM from 32 to 64 just for the sole purpose of spinning up a couple of more VMs. But I will start off with this and see if this does the job. Once again, man, Architect Delane, thank you guys for your time. Thank you guys for rocking out with me. Please hit that like button, and I will be dropping some more videos. Until then, you guys be safe and be good.